Geranium leaf tincture to improve thyroid condition. This recipe with geranium leaves, Pelargonium Graveolens, improves the condition with reduced thyroid function, hypothyroidism. Fill a jar with fresh geranium leaves. Pour half a liter of quality homemade brandy or vodka over the leaves. Close the jar tightly and let it stand in a dark place for 30 days. During this time, shake the jar more often, to equalize the content. After 30 days, strain the contents of the jar and drink 1 tablespoon of the obtained liquid 3 times a day, 20 to 30 minutes before meals. If you do not like taking this product on an empty stomach because it contains alcohol, proceed as follows. Pour 1 tablespoon of alcoholic tincture of geranium leaves into half a glass of boiling water. The alcohol will evaporate, and you will drink this medicine in the form of mild tea. Thyroid gland, treated reduced activity with vegetable juice. To improve the condition with reduced thyroid activity, hypothyroidism, prepare a drink consisting of 2/5 of raw potato juice, 2/5 of carrot juice, 1/5 of celery leaf juice. Drink half a liter of juice mixture every day, before meals. It is very important to exclude meat and fish from your diet at the same time. After a few days of regular consumption of this drink, you will feel your condition improve. The main ingredient of this drink is raw potatoes. Never use green or sprouted potatoes. Hypothyroidism, drops to improve the condition. For people who have reduced thyroid function, folk medicine recommends the following recipe. In the spring, at the end of May, pick young pine cones. Take 15 young cones and grind them as finely as possible. Pour 50 grams of quality homemade brandy or vodka over them, and let them stand in a covered jar for 10 days. Then strain the liquid. Drink 5 drops 3 times a day. The course is 3 weeks. Hyperthyrosis, tea that improves the condition of the thyroid gland. In case of increased thyroid function, the following tea is recommended. Take 2 parts mint, 1 part valerian root, and 1 part hop cones. Mix these ingredients well. Pour 2 tablespoons of the mixture with 2 cups of boiling water. Leave the tea to stand, covered, for 30 minutes. Drink half a cup of tea, 3 times a day for a month.